What's up? It's Sai. I'm a self-taught digital artist, and in today's video, I'm spilling all the tea on how I went from absolute disasters to making art I'm actually proud of. I'm not some professional artist or some art prodigy, just someone who powered through the cringe phase. Trust me, if a person like me who has over 1,000 hours on Genshin and more than 300 hours on Marvel Rivals can improve, your skill can level up too. When I first got into art, my technique was basically wides only. Did I consider quitting? Absolutely. Especially when I saw my Insta feed stacked with digital masterpieces. But the important part is I stuck with it. Even if my art looked cursed, I kept posting. That's how you start. You show up, flop a little, and learn. There were times I'd scroll through my own feed and feel like my skills just weren't moving, questioning whether I should even bother. But here's the secret. It's all slow progress and random breakthroughs. All my progress happened because of some simple habits I forced myself to do because I have an attention span of an ant. Here's what I did. First of all, just draw. Now, what do I mean is don't wait for inspiration or a perfect idea. Sketch random stuff, redraw memes, copy poses from video games, animated movies, just draw something. Next is reference everything. Yes, this is one of the most easiest and most difficult thing to do because here you have to observe everything you see in your everyday life and break them down into simple shapes. Pinterest is always there to help you with your references. Next, you need to see the world as an artist. Just observe everything, everyone. Just don't make it weird or else you'll just get reported for being a stalker or a weirdo. Pick one thing at a time. Lighting, hair, cloth fold, hands, anatomy, colors. Try to focus. It sucks at first, but then it clicks. Next is you have to ask feedback. Get roasted by your fellow artist friends because your friends who are not into art will obviously say your art is good because they themselves do not draw. Better than this is ask feedback from a fellow artist friend. It could be from Discord servers, DMs, etc. Subject yourself to some kind of constructive criticism. It stings, but you'll see things you'd miss. Next is redraw old work. Like, start drawing your old pieces again. You'll realize you're not as stuck as you think. Another piece of advice is if you're looking for some professional art tutorials, I would recommend these channels because I personally feel that they explain a lot better than most other YouTube channels. If you're sitting there thinking, my art sucks so bad, it shouldn't exist on the internet. Same, every artist has those moments, but sticking with it means you can only go up, even if it's like millimeter by millimeter. Don't get caught up comparing yourself to pros. It's like comparing your day 30 to someone's day 3000. Social media is just highlights, but the real art progress is stuff you'll never post. Remember, progress is slow, but it's happening. Rome wasn't built in a day, was it? Redraw your old drawings, celebrate every mini victory, seek critics from your fellow artist friends, and also hype them up. But yes, be real with them so that they can improve too. Comment down your struggles so that I could maybe give you some advice. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more. See you next time.